Hello, hi, Molweni, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Murise, Mamota lovers. You know what's happening? We are back again with another epic video of car interior designing and restyling. Welcome back to our channel. And as always, a big shout out to our day ones and lots of love to our new supporters and subscribers. Keep the love growing. Let's hop straight onto today's project. We have today in the building a Jaguar. Now, if you know, we absolutely love classic cars. So this one was a joy to work on. Today we are doing roof lining, repair and restoration. I hope you enjoy it.